Hello students, in this myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about numerical based on the Laplace transform. So I am going to talk three numerical based on this Laplace transform technique. Okay, so this is my first numerical. In the given circuit, switch K is moved from position A to B at t equal to 0. Find the current I of t after the switch is moved to 2. So earlier switch was in position 1, okay, and I am assuming switch was in position 1 for a long time. इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर switch was in position 1 for a long time, current was flowing through resistance like that, like this, ऐसा circuit है, okay. अगर circuit is in this position, so inductor was in the circuit, right? This inductor was in the circuit, so it was storing the current IL0 minus, and in case of inductor we know just before and just after current would be same. So just before current was and just after current was same. So I am assuming the circuit switch was in position 1 for a long time, so inductor would act as short circuit. So current कितना फ्लो हो रहा है, कितना स्टोर करेगा, V by R. V कितना था 10, R कितना है सर्किट में 2, this 2. इसका मतलब है 5 ampere. That was the current just before and current just after would be same. It is 5 ampere. Similarly, Vc0 minus equal to Vc0 प्लस इक्वल टू व्हाट, कितना वोल्टेज स्टोर करेगा. सर्किट में कैपेसिटर था ही नहीं, कैपेसिटर वाज हियर, तो जस्ट बिफोर एंड जस्ट आफ्टर कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज स्टोर्ड बाय कैपेसिटर इज 0 वोल्ट, राइट. So these are the two initial conditions. At t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, I am closing the switch to 2, move the switch position 2. सर्किट कैसा हो जाएगा पोजीशन 2 में, लाइक दैट, C and here L. सर्किट विल बी लाइक दैट, बिकॉज ये पोजीशन 2 में आएगा, इसका मतलब है कैसा हो जाएगा सर्किट, लाइक दैट. If this position 2, circuit will come here in this way. Okay, when it will come in position 2, current circuit में क्या रहेगा, L और C. So we can write KVL. What is the KVL here? क्या आएगा, L di by dt. L मतलब 0.1 L di by dt plus 1 by C integration of I dt. L di by dt plus 1 by C integration of I dt, okay, equal to no source 0. So this is the KVL, we got it, right? Okay. Now, if you take the Laplace transform of this, so Laplace transform क्या आएगा, Laplace transform of this 0.1, इसका Laplace transform क्या आएगा, S I of S minus I of 0, right? This is the initial condition. Plus इसका क्या आएगा, 1 by C, Laplace transform of derivative C कितना है, 0.1, sorry, I'm just putting the value, 1 by C, okay. So 1 by C means 1 by C कितना है, 0.1 माइक्रो, माइक्रो मतलब 10 raised to power minus 6, okay. 1 by C इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, सॉरी यहाँ पर ही वैल्यू पुट कर देना थी आपको 0.1. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ आई डी टी क्या होगा, लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ दिस I of S upon S plus integration of I of 0 upon S, and this term indicates the initial condition. What is the initial condition? Voltage across capacitor 0. It is 0. The whole term indicates the voltage across capacitor is 0 volt, right? Okay. Equal to 0. This 0. Okay. So I am taking 0.1. I am putting the initial condition. So 0.1 S I of S minus this 5, I of 0 की वैल्यू कितनी है, this 5 एम्पियर इनिशियल कंडीशन. So point minus 0.5 into 1 point, sorry, 5 into 0.1 is 0.5. I'm opening the bracket. So this is 5 into 0.1, 0.5 plus ये क्या होगा 0.1 into 10 raised to power 6 और वहां जाएगा तो it is point plus 7. ये minus 6 ऊपर जाएगा तो plus 6 और ये 1 upon 0.1. So this again 10. Okay. So 10 raised to power 7. This is Is upon S plus this is what 0 equal to 0. So you will get I of S if you take common. I of S if you take common. Yes, I'm taking I of S common. So I'm getting 0.1, okay, into S plus 10 raised to 7 upon S, okay, इक्वल टू ये माइनस 0.5 इधर जाएगा तो इक्वल टू क्या होगा प्लस 0.5. सो आई गॉट इट. ओके, सो आई गॉट आई ऑफ एस कॉमन लिया है. सो आई हैव टेकन पॉइंट आई ऑफ एस कॉमन. सो 0.1 एस प्लस दिस 10 raised to power 7 upon s इक्वल टू ये माइनस 0.5 इधर गया तो प्लस. ओके, सो आई एम गेटिंग आई ऑफ एस कॉमन. ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा 0.1 एस और एस स्क्वायर हो जाएगा एस स्क्वायर प्लस 10 raised to power plus 7 upon common s, okay, equal to this 0.5. Okay, so I'm getting I of s equal to 0.5, this 0.5 into this s, this 0.5 into s अपॉन ये इधर आएगा. सो आई एम एक काम करता हूं मैं इसको 0.1 को बाहर ले लेता हूं कॉमन. तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा एस स्क्वायर प्लस ये कॉमन 0.1 लिया है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 10 raised to power plus 8 हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? एस स्क्वायर 0.1 एस स्क्वायर प्लस 10 raised to power 7 था. 0.1 आपने कॉमन लिया तो एस स्क्वायर ओके, बट ये 0.1 से मतलब डिवाइड करेंगे तो 10 raised to 8 आ जाएगा. ओके, इक्वल टू आई एम गेटिंग दिस. So here 0.5 upon 0.1 is 5 into s upon s square plus 10 raised to power 4 square. यहाँ 10 raised to 8 है ना, so I am taking 10 raised to power 4 square. Okay, okay. Take the Laplace inverse of this. Take the Laplace inverse of this. So you will get I of t equal to what? 5. This is 5 common. S upon s square plus omega square. S upon s square plus omega square का लाप्लास इनवर्स किसका है? cos of omega t. cos of omega कितना है? 10 raised to power 4 t. This is omega. What is the cos of omega t का क्या होता है? लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म s upon s square plus omega square. ये आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये दिस इज करेक्ट. सो आई गॉट द आंसर 5 cos of 10 raised to power 4 t. That is the answer we are getting. Okay, this is the answer we are getting by using the Laplace transform. If you do it by the same problem, if you do it by classical theory, you will observe that this problem is slightly difficult compared to this. So we can say this technique is simpler than the classical technique. Okay, next problem I am going to discuss, problem number 2. Just wait. Example number 2. Okay. Find VA using Laplace transform technique. Assume that IL0 minus equal to 2. So I have given IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to I have given 2 ampere. इसका मतलब है initially this inductor is charged. Sorry, it is in under the stored condition. Clear? कितना store करके रखा है इसने? 2 ampere. So can we okay switch operation की जरूरत नहीं है. Can we redraw this diagram like that? This is 10 volt. This is 10 Henry and this is 2 ohm, and we have to find the voltage across this, that is VA we have to find. Can we draw it? आप बोलेंगे sir what about 3 ohm? I told you already in unit number 1 and 2. Anything parallel with the voltage source, you can see here this 3 ohm is connected in parallel with the voltage source. Anything in parallel with the voltage source, if you want you can remove it, that is redundant. So if you want you can remove it, it will not affect the result, so I am removing it because this 3 ohm connected in parallel with the 10 volt source. If you want you can remove it, it is redundant. Okay. Okay, so I'm writing the KVL. If you write the KVL in this diagram, so क्या आएगा? L di by dt, that is 10 di by dt plus Ri, R कितना? 2 ohm equal to voltage source of 10 volt. 10 into 1 if you want. This is the KVL. If you take the Laplace transform, क्या आएगा? 10 common S I of S, 10 common S I of S minus I of 0, इसका हो गया Laplace transform. 10 common Laplace transform of derivative is what? S I of S minus I of 0 plus what? 2 into I of S equal to 10 का 10 और 1 का 1 by S. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform I am getting. Now see here 10, I am just multiplying. I of 0 is what? 2 ampere. This I of 0 initial condition is what? 2 ampere. So I am putting here 2 ampere, right? So I am getting 10S I of S minus 2 into 10. So it is 20. Right? ये 2 value put करेंगे और open the bracket, so you will get 10 into 220 plus 2 I of S equal to 10 by S. So I am taking I of S common. I am getting 10S plus 2. I am getting it. I of S common, so 10S plus this 2 equal to, this is 10 by S this side और ये minus 2 उधर जाएगा तो plus 2 plus 20, sorry, minus 20 इधर जाएगा तो plus 20. Okay, so I am getting this is what 10 plus 20S upon S. If you take LCM, so 10 into 20S, 10 plus 20S upon S. Okay, so I of S equal to what? I of S equal to what? 20S plus 10 upon S. ये 20 सॉरी 10S plus 2 यहाँ आएगा तो एंटीना होगा 10S plus 2. So I am getting 20 common लिया तो S plus 0.5, 20 common लिया तो S plus 0.5, 10 by 20 और यहाँ I am taking 10 common, तो ये S तो ऑलरेडी है, 10 कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? S प्लस 2 by 10. 2 by 10 क्या होता है? 0.2. So I am getting it. This is, you will get 2. So this is the transfer function I am getting. I of S I am getting like that. 2 into S plus 0.5, S plus 0.2. I can't take the Laplace inverse directly because we have two s denominator में. Just we have to check the, तो लिखना पड़ेगा plus 0.5 upon I am getting here s plus 0.2, right? This is there, I am getting it. So since the denominator में दो हैं, so I have to go for partial fraction technique. A upon s, as, and b upon, आपको you can observe that these two roots of s are different and real. So you can write a upon s plus b upon this, s plus 0.2, right? So from here you will get the value of a. How to find a? अगर आपको याद है मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन नंबर 2, तो मैंने पूरे 3 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए हैं ऑन प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन दिस पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन टेक्निक. हाउ टू गेट a? If you want to get the value of a, how will you find a? कैसे करेंगे हम? Multiply both side by denominator of a, that is s से दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई करो, पुट s इक्वल टू 0. सो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आएगा? ये 2, यहाँ s प्लस 0.5 अपॉन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एस एस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड बाई एस, तो एस एस कैंसिल्ड और यहाँ क्या बचेगा? s प्लस 0.2 और पुट s इक्वल टू 0. So when you put s equal to 0, you will get a equal to what? 2 into 0.5 upon 0.2. So 10 into 0.5, 5. I am getting 5. Similarly, b कैसे निकालेंगे? b how to find b? b क्या करेंगे? Multiply both side by the denominator of b. So यहाँ पर 2 into s plus 0.5, 2 into s plus 0.5 upon s है, और ये कहाँ जाएगा? ये जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इससे तो ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. इधर b निकालना है तो क्या करेंगे हम? we will multiply both side by this, so this or this numerator denominator quantity will be cancelled, right? And put s equal to what? S equal to what? Minus 0.2. When you put s equal to minus 0.2, so b you will get, just value put karo, you will get b equal to what? I'm just using the calculator. Okay, I'm getting b equal to what? Minus 3. So I got a and b both. I got a equal to 5, b equal to minus 3. Okay, so we can find I of s equal to a कितना है? 5 upon s. b कितना है? minus 3 upon this s plus 0.2. So I'm getting these two. So take the Laplace inverse. If you take the Laplace inverse, you will get I of t. I of t मतलब this current in time domain. I of t क्या आएगा? 5 and 1 by s का 1, 5 minus 3 e raised to minus 0.2t. So I am getting this answer, 5 minus 3 into e raised to minus 0.2t. Okay, so I am getting this. Now what is the value of VA? Just here VA कैसे निकालेंगे? VA equal to, मैं यहाँ निकाल के रखता हूँ. VA equal to VA, this voltage VA equal to क्या होगा? 2 into I, राइट ना? VA क्या होगा एक लूप में? 2 into करंट I तो आपका ही है, so 2 into this current, so 2 into this e raised to minus 0.2t. That is the answer I am getting, right? So I got I of t also, I got VA also in the time domain. So both answers we got, I of t and VA I got. So I of t कितना है? 5 minus 3 e raised to minus 0.2t and VA equal to what? 10 minus 6 e raised to minus sorry, this answer is not correct, this is the correct minus यहाँ पर minus 0.2 t. Okay, so we got these two answers, right? So I am rubbing it. Okay, now I'm rubbing it. One more question I'm going to talk. We are going to solve. That is a question number 3. Okay, this is the RLC circuit. You can say R is there, L is there, C is there. RLC circuit is there, and we have to find current है. Actually, they have not given. Find the current for t greater than 0 by using Laplace transform technique. So first of all, we have to initialize the initial condition. What is the initial condition? Inductor is there before, yes, inductor is there. So I inductor क्या store करता है? Current. So IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus, just before and just after current would be same, equal to what? 0. Why it is 0? Because switch was open. स्विच ओपन था तो करंट स्टोर कर रहा था कि नहीं इंडक्टर? नहीं, सो इट इज 0. सिमिलरली स्विच अगर ओपन था तो करंट ही नहीं फ्लो हो रहा था, तो करंट नहीं फ्लो हो रहा था तो Vc0 माइनस equal to Vc0 plus, just before and just after current would be, voltage would be 0. So these are the two initial conditions. We got it. Just before and just after, इंडक्टर है तो करंट क्या है? 0, and कैपेसिटर है तो वोल्टेज 0. Now at t equal to, close the switch. At t equal to 0, close the switch and write the KVL. I am writing the KVL. Switch is closed and write the KVL, right? So this t equal to 0, I am closing the switch. Okay. So KVL लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? RI 5, R कितना है? 5 into I plus L di by dt. What is L? 1. So 1 di by dt plus 1 by C. C कितना है? 0.25. Integration of I dt equal to voltage source V, 10 into 1. If you want, you can write 10. Yeah, you can write 10 into 1. Okay. So take the Laplace transform. If you take the Laplace transform, क्या आएगा? 5I of S plus L कितना है? 1. So 1 into what? I of S into S. Sorry. It's 1 into what? S I of S. This S into I of S minus I of 0 plus 1 upon 0.25 is 4. 4 Laplace transform of integrator क्या होता है? I of S minus I of S upon S plus integration of I of 0 upon S equal to 10 into 1 का क्या होगा? 1 by S. So this is the initial condition, it shows 0. This is the initial condition, it is 0. It is given current 0 and voltage 0. This is shows the voltage across capacitor 0. So you will get I of S. If you take common, क्या आएगा? S प्लस यहाँ 5 प्लस यहाँ 4 by S. क्लियर? I of S कॉमन लिया तो 4 by S, यहाँ S और यहाँ 5 इक्वल टू क्या आ रहा है? 10 upon S. So if you take LCM, common LCM, so I of S ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? S square plus what? 5 into this S, 5 into this is s है ये 5. So s square plus 5s plus 4 upon s equal to what? 10 by s. So this s and this s will be cancelled. This s and this s will be cancelled, right? So you will get I of s equal to what? 10 upon s square plus 5s plus 4. You will get s square, 2s are there. So it will require partial fraction. So sum of both is 5. You can say sum of both is 5 and multiplication is 4. इसका मतलब we have two roots, 4 and 1. Multiplication 4 and 1 का 4 and sum 5. So in place of that you can write 10 upon s plus 4 s plus 1. Right? Two roots are there. Multiplication of two roots is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. यहाँ multiplication होता है और यहाँ पर होता है sum. So 4 plus 1 5. Right? So I got it. Equal to. Okay. So you can write. I'm writing 10 upon s plus 4 s plus 1 equal to, both roots are real and different. So you can say a upon s plus 4 plus b upon s plus 1. So how to find the value of a? A कैसे निकालेंगे? What is the denominator of a? S plus 4. Both sides multiply by s plus 4 and put s equal to minus 4. S equal to minus 4. So multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 10 upon s plus 1. S plus 4 cancel हो जाएगा because when you multiply and put s equal to minus 4. So you will get minus 10 by 3. Right ना? ये minus 4 रखेंगे तो ये minus 3 हो जाएगा 10 by. Okay. How to find b? b कैसे निकालेंगे? Multiply both side by denominator of b, s plus 1. So यहाँ आएगा 10 upon s plus 4 और s plus 1 cancelled. Put s equal to minus 1. So you will get 10 by 3. Okay. So I'm getting 10 by 3. So just okay. So here I am getting I of s equal to, just here I of s equal to क्या है? ये I of s equal to this, A कितना है? I am getting b कितना है? b कितना है? 10 by 3. So I am getting 10 by 3 upon b कितना था? s plus 1. Okay. और a कितना है? minus 10 by 3. So minus 10 by 3 ये कहाँ है? upon s plus 4. So I of t क्या आएगा? Take the Laplace inverse. If you take the Laplace inverse, I of t कितना आएगा? 10 by 3 e raised to minus t minus 10 by 3 e raised to minus 4t. So that is the answer I am getting. 10 by 3 means 3.33, right? E raised to minus t or minus 10 by 3 e raised to minus 4t. So अब चाहो तो you can write 3 equal to what? 3.33. If you want, you can write 3.33 common. E raised to minus t minus e raised to minus 4t. If you want, you can write. That is the answer I am getting it. Okay, 3.33 e raised to minus t minus 10.33 e raised to minus 4t. Okay, so this is the way you can see here. We have solved maybe around 3 numerical in for the RLC series circuit by classical technique. क्लासिकल टेक्निक से हमने 3 प्रॉब्लम लिए हैं और आपने देखा होगा they were very lengthy. But if you go for Laplace transform technique, they are very simple also. इससे और सिंपल टेक्निक और आने वाली है फ्यूचर में इसी Laplace transform से. If the initial condition is 0, what is the behavior of R, L and C? तो ये इनिशियल 1-2 स्टेप्स कम हो जाएंगे उसमें. Anyway, so I am stopping it here. Okay, I'm going to put all these solutions, theory, everything on the website, on the YouTube lecture. So please go through it. You please try to read. एक नहीं, दो बार, तीन बार आप देखो उसको, क्लियर, और आपको ऑटोमेटिकली समझ में आएगा कि हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट इट. लेटर ऑन जस्ट सी द क्वेश्चन एंड फर्स्ट पहले अटेम्प्ट करो एंड देन सी द आंसर. सो योर कंसेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. मेरा एम क्या है, योर कंसेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. एंड आपने इतने वीडियो, इतने सब लेक्चर देखने के बाद अगर आपको पसंद आया हो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट आल्सो, give the like also. Okay, thank you. So thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you. So I'm stopping. पहले मैं इसको रब कर देता हूँ. Okay.